This guy went from an ugly guy to a Calvin Klein model in 2 years by just fixing the 5 crucial flaws that make you ugly. And in this video, I am going to teach you the exact methods he used to fix them so you can achieve the same results and become unrecognizable. But the truth is that if you don't take action now and fix these 5 flaws, you will end up walking around like this forever, and ultimately being ugly will ruin your life. The truth is, data tells us that attractive people make more money, are less depressed, live longer, and have more sexual partners. Don't believe me? Take a look at how women react to ugly man in comparison to attractive man. Good thing is that the results of Erand and other glow-ups show that the only difference between the ugly and attractive men are literally just 5 flaws you can fix with the methods I am showing you in this video. Starting with flaw number 1, acne. You can see that at the start, he has severe acne covering his whole face, but after 2 years of using the right skincare, not a single pimple is left. To get rid of acne, your skincare routine must follow 3 steps. Step 1. Open up the pores to wash out all the dirt and oil. Step 2. Treat already existing acne. And Step 3. Protect the skin. The 5 products Erand uses are first Lavera Mid Cleanser. After that, he applies Korean Toner to soothe the acne. Then most importantly, retinol. After that, niacinamide to get rid of acne scars, and at the end he tops it off with some moisturizer to protect the skin barrier. As the video goes on, every single flaw becomes increasingly more important, with the last flaw being the one thing that makes or breaks your face. Flaw number 2, puffy cheeks. Now you probably think I am just talking about body fat and will just recommend you to lose weight. But yes, while your body fat also need to be under 12% in order to look your best, it are totally different factors that determine the bloating of your face and especially cheeks. For example, you can clearly see that Erand was already really low body fat before his glow up, but he still hasn't got any visual signs of hollow cheeks or just a lean face. You can also see the same thing when looking at these 2 pictures of Leonardo DiCaprio, which were taken on the same set with just a few days in between. The reason for this is that he was de-bloated and lean in this picture and really bloated in this one. To look lean 24/7, Erand recommends a diet consisting of mainly fish, meat, fruit, and vegetables, and completely cutting out bread, sodium, and sweets. To even take this a step further, another trick models use is to consume really high amounts of potassium, because it helps counteract the effects of sodium by increasing excretion and urine production, which prevents water retention and fluid buildup in the face. The best natural potassium sources are coconut water, bananas, and sweet potatoes. If you also want a free list of foods to avoid because they cause bloating, and to get early access to my new program Ascend Academy, which launches on the 26th of July, click the first link in the description. Now let's move on to flaw number 3, bad hair. Hair can be a great tool to increase your facial harmony, but if your hairstyle doesn't suit your face shape, it will completely destroy your facial aesthetics. Erand recommends to just grow your hair out, but to really know what hairstyle would suit your face, download an app like Face App. Upload a selfie of yours, and then try out different hairstyles using the AI feature. Now that you have the right hairstyle, stop using shampoo more than once a week because it makes your hair look dry. If you use shampoo, always use conditioner as well, but only apply it on the hair and not the scalp. Follow me because I will soon upload a complete guide on how to get perfect model-like hair. Flaw number 4, thin eyebrows. Let me tell you, eyebrows are the most underrated and overlooked facial features. To prove this to you, look at these two pictures of Justin Bieber. The only thing that changed are his eyebrows. Perfect eyebrows should be low set, dark, thick, and in most cases positively tilted. Why do I say most? Because for some people like Brad Pitt, negatively tilted eyebrows just suit their eye area better. Just from looking at these two pictures, you can see the difference between his eyebrows 2 years ago and his eyebrows now. To showcase you how you can do the same, let's take these thin eyebrows on the left and these bushy eyebrows on the right as example. Now you will either need to apply an eyebrow serum like brow cocaine or trim your excessive eyebrow hair down so you get a shape like this. At the end, as you can see, no matter the starting point, the end result should look the same. And now the final and most important flaw is a receding bone structure. What I mean by this is a weak jaw, lack of under-eye support, bad maxillary width, and a recessed chin. In the after picture, you can see the improved jawline and cheekbone visibility. This can be achieved by following a simple equation. If this was too fast, don't worry, I will go over everything step by step, but listen closely. To increase your testosterone, follow these 3 steps. Number 1. Practice a competitive sport multiple times a week, ideally something like rugby or martial arts. Number 2, get 3 to 7 hours of sunlight daily and at least 15 minutes on your balls. And number 3, fat maximum once a week. Weightlifting will increase your testosterone and bone density, but avoid excess cardio because it can reduce testosterone. Wolf's technique is a method to increase your bone density in your face by abusing the scientific phenomenon called Wolff's Law, developed by the German anatomist Julius Wolff. This states that bone in a healthy animal will adapt to the loads under which it is placed. I will teach you exactly how to practice Wolff's technique in my new program, Ascend Academy. Sign up for early access, first link in description. And most importantly, correct tongue posture, because without the correct tongue posture, also called mewing on social media, you won't have any chance on improving your face significantly. To achieve the correct tongue posture, I recommend 2. Step 1, place your tip of the tongue behind the front teeth. Step 2, press the rest of your tongue, especially the back, to the roof of your mouth. If you can't do this, try to make a NGG sound and stay in this position. Then step 3, press your teeth together slightly and close your lips. And lastly, swallow your saliva repeatedly until you created a vacuum in your mouth. But all of this will only work with the right supplementation and diet. The diet you should follow for maximum results is animal-based diet or keto diet. The supplements that will make you transform your bone structure from wimp to warrior are pure grass-fed collagen, zinc, D3/K2, and boron. And before any incel comments that it isn't possible to change your bone structure after puberty, Aaron was 19 in the before pictures and also stating in some of his videos that he was past puberty, so always remember that it is never over. Just stay consistent and strive for greatness in all aspects of life.